before you start recording, I want to get everything ready just so that it's just boom, 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 boom. So handy dandy Allen keys. Where the hell am I? It's that plastic thingamajig. Okay, what's up, kids? Today we are going to replace the left-hand dashboard switch panel for the Maserati GT. So we come here to the front of the car. Here we have like a prying tool. We have our set of Allen keys, and we have the part over here. I'm gonna put the part number in the comment section down below. I got this from Scuderia Parts. They sell like Ferrari, Maserati parts for like a fraction of the cost, and I'm not getting sponsored by them. I just bought it off there. I got it like half the price from what the dealership quoted me for. So the thing that we're replacing is this thing right here. So I don't know if you saw from the last video, this thing broke, so it's going pretty wild. I can't switch the light to any of the other modes, but I did set it to auto, so we're gonna get to it right now. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to pry this off. Trying to be very gentle, which I'm not doing at all. There we go. So right here I found it to be the easiest part. It's just kind of putting the prying tool between the fan and this carbon fiber piece and like prying it out like this. It's pretty simple. It just pops right out. You want to be careful though, because you don't want to bend the prongs. It's going to be the same thing with the center carbon fiber piece right here. Later on in another video we're going to replace this. So but we're going to do this right now. And for your Allen keys, you're going to need a 532, and yeah, all you're going to have to do is unscrew these two up here, and let me see this real quick, and also the ones down here. And to access the ones down here, all you have to do is just pull this down like so, and there they are. This one right here, one right here. I'm wanting to do this for a long time, but I've been pretty busy, and by the time I get home it's pretty dark. On my Monday after coming back from Monterey, it was a really rough weekend. First time working for a dealership, so you can just imagine how much work they put me through. But you know, it was pretty fun. Okay, and then now all you have to do is just take this off. All right, like so. So over here, this little tab is under this plastic piece, so you just have to push it down, and then now you expose two sets of wires. So all you have to do, push this little pad tab down, push the red one up, and like so, it's gone. And this one, I think there's a little tab on the bottom right here that you just press down and it comes off. If I can get it. There you go. That's your piece right here. And then so we're gonna replace this unit for this new unit right here. And it's really cool how the box comes in. It was a lot more better packed when I first received it. It was like under this plastic, all nice and neat. But I'm gonna put the part number down below. So the key difference between the original one and the new one, as you can see, is that this one has an extra set of fog light buttons, and this one also has the parking sensor on. So this one's still gonna work, except these two buttons they're not gonna have any function. But yeah, this one was a lot cheaper than just getting this one straight out of. I was gonna order it from the Maserati dealership, but they quoted me like 500 bucks, so I was like, nah, I'm good. So I got this from Scuderia Parts for about $230, which was a steal. I mean, it might not be the same one, but at least it's new and it's gonna work. So what we're gonna do, we need to get this original piece off, and all it is just 1, 2, 3, 4 screws just to get it off this leather portion, and we're gonna do that right now. And yeah, you have to unscrew these little shits also, I guess. I didn't realize there were so many screws. There's two. Let's see what's attached to it this time. There we go, and that's it. This original piece, you kind of hear that. Why are you going away? If you unscrew these, you can clearly see what do you call this? This swivel's like broken in there. It's all plastic, but I don't want to do that right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the other piece over here. Oh my god! Just give me 1 second. Now what you're gonna do is just place this bad boy. Which way did it go? This is the top. This is the top right here. So it just pops in right.
But imagine it doesn't fit.
No, it for sure would fit. They're all the same. Now it's time to screw this metal piece back in.
Metal bracket.
The metal bracket, yeah. I'm gonna put the big ones real quick so that they don't go everywhere. Okay, let's put that away. Got the new one in tow. I'm gonna put this in, see if it works. Now that you have your new light switch set up here, look how it nicely goes to each and every single different mode. Let's put this one in here. Push it in. And lock it. And now this one right here. Okay, and then how you put this back, you just need to make sure this part is under this. And then all these little prongs go where they're supposed to go. So like that, you kind of have to do it at like a little angle. And make sure the prongs at the bottom go where they're supposed to go too. That's it. Right there. And then before we put everything back together, let's do a final test if we can find the key. Okay, so this doesn't work, obviously. The mode button does work. So if you can go right here. And also the next video, as I mentioned before, we're gonna change the TPMS sensor, which is down here under the carpet for the lights. And yep, Eureka, it works. Can you go in the front and see it? You know what's really funny? What do you call this? So this wasn't originally on the switch panel on my on the original one, but look, if I press this right here. Oh wait, I have to turn on the light. And press that. There's a little thing that pops up now. Very strange. There you go. Alright guys, that's how you switch out the left-hand dashboard switch panel. I know it was pretty rough, and that's kind of how I like doing things, but in the next video we're going to replace this bad boy right here. So thank you guys for watching this episode, and make sure you return all the bolts and screws that you got over here. This one came from the other one, so yeah, I know this is an extra one, so don't worry about that. So right there, but yeah, be sure to return those into their spots. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.